Good morning, good morning, good morning. All right. Good morning, One Life. Right. Oh, all right. So today we got a couple of lookers. I did switch up my Charles Schwab a little bit. Brought the larger time frames over here to one tab, the 15-minute and the daily chart, kind of just to see what's going on in the stocks. I did change to a watch list from my account details. The account details is what you guys were seeing so far, but the difference is I think in the watch list, the only thing I couldn't bring over was the shares outstanding. Let me pop over here to the trade tab. So this is how you'll see it. You'll see whatever's on my watch list. You'll see the P&L for whatever I'm in. VIX, actually the SPY came down, so I was expecting to add a little bit lower than this. So for right now, I'm just gonna let it ride at the 2160s. I'm looking for this thing to get down around that $20 area. Still got that small position size. The other two things that I was watching was the UUU from yesterday in the aftermarket. Boy, that thing kind of took off. Um, but it's, anything can happen in the aftermarket. It came into this flat range here and just took off. The news on UUU is looking like not really any great news. Yesterday top pre-market gainers. Yeah, they do have a after hours watch list scorecard, so let me look into that. The scorecard. UUU given a gotta understand what these numbers are. Let's see. Here's how the stocks Thursday after hours watch list performed. Okay. So during the day, it ended up 14% and then went down a little bit during the aftermarket. Couldn't have. No. Okay, price change, percent change. I have to go and look this up at how this documentation is working. That makes zero sense to me. Price change. Anyway, whatever. Doesn't have any kind of great news for this to just take off like that. GSMG was another one that popped up on the scanners. Let me pop back over here to the scanners as well. Okay, there we go. All right, anyway, we're ready to go for the day. Hopefully VIX continues to drop towards that $2 and it doesn't just pop. That would be great. Because it did come all the way, it was all the way down here yesterday. Came all the way down here. This was my entry right here. Came all the way down and then popped back up right here to this almost to the 280 2180s. So whatever. If it gets above this though, I definitely not let it go back below my break even. And I'll just if it comes back down, I'll just add on down here. But these are the watch lists for today. Low floats, BLUW didn't even have any news. It just popped. Maybe news will come out on it later. It jumped all the way up to 28, or it was at $30 up here, $34. Very low volume. Sometimes that happens. If you look at the daily chart here, it came gap down, absolutely filled this little small gap and ran on through. Actually, no. This is the day yesterday. So today hasn't opened yet. So it's going to open up way higher. It's going to open up. Let's see, where's the 30s? Wow, I can't even get it up there. It'll show us once it opens up. But man, that is a huge gap. Don't even know why. So let me go find out. B-L-U-W. B-L-U-W. W. Blue Water Acquisition Corporation. Let's see what it's got. It announces the change of a special meeting. Okay, that means nothing. That was on the 11th. So it has no real news. It has a shareholder alert back in May, but I think that's past. There was investigations on it. And then they had a licensing agreement back in May. And then a special meeting for stockholders. Okay, so nothing. All right, let's see what else is here. UUU. All right. Haven't heard from Ben today. Don't know what he's up to, but we will see. We will see. NRXP. What is the news on that one? NRXP Pharmaceuticals to work with Cardinal Health ensure efficient distribution. Okay. There's a lot of COVID-19 in here. You can already see that off the top. Phase 3 trials. So they're in phase 3 trials. Nice. Pharmaceuticals to work with Cardinal Health. So we'll see what that one wants to do. On the daily chart, where is it? $15 now? Okay, so $15 is right up in here, right? 15, 16 bucks. We'll see how that goes. Good morning, Jay Kratz. Welcome to the party. So it had resistance at this 16 level, which it came all the way back down to. Let's see. So we got this resistance right through here. GSM a lot cheaper. 240. So we got 5 stocks on the, well, BLUW. I really am not going to be watching like that. I mean, it is a low float. Let me go check what's the float on it. $3.75 million. No shelf registrations. Yeah, 3 to 4 million on that guy. GSMG. GSMG. Like that float is 26.79 million. 24 to 26 million. GSMG. Good morning, Daniel B. No shelf on that one. $6 million. There we go. RGC, VRPX, and BYSI on watch. Nice, nice. Is RGC still going up? Let's see RGC. Cause that thing's been, if it's still going up, that thing's been running forever. Up to, when did it go up to 60? Yesterday? All the way up there to 60. Nasty. Going good, Lauren. Going good. No fires on my side this time. BLW. What was that other one? Daniel B just said. Let me go look. He said RGC, VRPX, and BYSI. VRPX. Definitely got a nice uptrend on that one. Okay, and then BYSI. Ooh, that thing gapped up. Lordy, lordy. Some insane jumping right there. Nice. All right. BYSI just dropped new. Oh yeah, yeah, that's one I just looked at. BYSI. Let's see. Did it drop another one? Yep. Beyond Spring Pharmaceuticals enter agreement for development of lung cancer drug. Okay. What stage is this in? Under terms, Chinese subsidiary Wanju Bulin will grant Hinguru exclusive rights to commercialize and co-develop plinabulin, whatever, in Greater China markets. They will receive a upfront payment of 2 million. So it's about $30 million US. Okay, okay. That sounds real nice. Yeah, that sounds real nice. Yeah, it has a couple of PR hits today. And it doesn't even look like it's fully transitioned into a full, well, it has a little bit of trend here. Starting from like back here, kind of going up, but it's very steep, looks like. So we will see. What shook you out, One Life? Right. So we got pretty much everything I'm gonna be looking at today. We'll see if any low floats come up after the market opens. I'm not really looking too much into the high floats unless we see something with some great PR like BYSI. And my VIX did pop back up. It yesterday it came down to the 21s and then pop back up to the 68. Love to see it break this low, but it'll probably take it a while to do that. If it comes back above my entry, I just put a trailing stop on it, and however how it goes, I'll just take that profit and then get in lower. But as of now, down 51 cents on it, so not really hurting. We will see what BYSI wants to do on the open. Not a lot of volume in it. Only 68,000 shares traded on that one. GSMG, and I'm not seeing any higher floats that I really want to touch. One Life says BYSI. I bought 2 days ago at 24, held through the pop to 26. Then yesterday I sold for plus 40. Oh yeah, you did say that yesterday. Um, plus 40 cents. Some cents came back, retested my area. I bought and ripped. Yeah. Yep. That sounds about right. All right. Well, I'll just be watching these on the open. Appreciate that follow. Appreciate it. Okay. Let me see who that was. Shout out to load in. Lunar, haha. Lunar, haha. Shout out. Appreciate the follow over there on Twitch. Appreciate all you guys for hitting that like button. I did not hear from Ben today. I don't know how his situation's going, so he hasn't called me yet. So we'll see later on the day. But you know, we will see. Talked to him yesterday and he was like, "Yeah, I'm gonna take a break tonight. I don't want to do anything." So I was like, "Okay." Then this morning he must not have wanted to do anything either. It's like, "Nah, bro, I'm gonna just chill." Daniel B says BLUW is SPAC. That's what that is. Yeah. Bill Ackman is suing all SPAC fraud offers to the public. Nice. Um, good morning, Dome, or DOM. Dome. Dome. Yeah, not touching that one. But yeah, definitely BYSI was that nice looker. See what kind of action. Wow, NRPX just running down through the floor. Look at that one, caving. It was at what, $15 and just absolutely losing it. All right, let's get this. UUU also ran down through the floor. So not a lot holding up there. All right, we're about to enter market open. Get going. And that market is open. Looks like that VIX did pop up a little bit. So, man, I need that thing to stay below. I want to continue getting that drop. Market is open, open, open. Waiting and watching. Ooh, got some drop off on NRXP. GSM was looking good, but we'll just have to see. A lot of these are just failing out. UUU going on down there. Who's gonna be the #1 mover? Go back over to my other tab. Oh, you said not Dome. Let's call it, yes, Dominic might be easier. Yes, Dominic. That works. All right, so we are seeing things, and why don't I have my change from open on here? Seeing things make little moves. Change from open. Okay. BLUW going red on the day. What did BYSY do? Pop through to the moon. 26 on up. Nice little pop out there. Wow, that thing jumped up 100,000 real quick. Let's see. We'll go by volume. Pushing on up there. Not a lot of crazy volume on either of these scanners. So we'll just watch BYSI absolutely run up. So it broke over this high 26.93, broke the 27s and jumped 82 cents. Looking like it wants to go up there and check out the 28s. VRPX is going to 20 shortly. Probably the way it's looking. Both of them kind of popped up there. I think the other one that you said was RGC. Hey, that VIX is diving, boy. Looks like I'm gonna get the ad. RGC, not moving that much. Ride going nuts. Hmm. It broke this 85, got up to the 714. Gotta change something in here. BRPX popping up there on the scanner. Yeah, there's Ride. Ride. VRPX and Ride are the only things that really are looking wow. Look at that move. Impressive. All right, so let me pop back over there to the regular tab. VRPX got a little rip. BYSI pulling back. GSM not looking good at all. BYS continuing to pull back. Big buy up there. Popping around. Ride took a little hammer. Got a little hammer time there. VRPX still pumping up. What about BYSI? Yeah, none of these have like super impressive volume, but they are moving. Ride getting a little buy up right there. Don't really know what that one wants to do. Form, motors tab, forms. Nothing really good on ride. Let's see. BYSI did go ahead and dump through there. UUU, huge topping tail. You remove that one. Yeah, I was looking at ride. It's not even meeting my criteria to trade. So yeah, I wouldn't touch it with a 50-foot pole. That's why I'm removing it off of my watch list here. But VRPX did give a little bit of a pullback. I don't know. Ben, I talked to Ben yesterday. He said that she was stabilized. But other than that, it was, I haven't talked to him since. He didn't call me today, so I'm guessing he's not streaming today as well. Just kind of taking a couple of days to get all that. Oh my goodness, yes, dump down. VIX is dumping. Nice. All right, BYSI. See, it has this bottom here, 27. I like it. I really like this one. And I like the news on it. Yeah. Yeah, it was a rough 24 hours for him. He did a lot of running. He did a whole lot of running. Yeah, one life. I know y'all sometimes walk around with devil horns and pitchforks, but y'all got a heart somewhere in there. All right. VRPX. I don't know if it was the bug. I think they are waiting for tests to come back on it though. I might jump in this one small just to play it. Let's see, 2780s, 2782, but it is looking like it needs to consolidate as well, though. Let's go to my screener. Only thing sticking out here is ride. So not really seeing anything else. Let it consolidate a bit. Yeah. If it was a flu, it's it's and the symptoms that she was having wasn't like any of the COVID symptoms that I've heard of. So we'll see. I mean, but you never know, man. COVID's always changing its identity. It's got like 12 masks now. It's like Jim Carrey. It's got a red one, a blue one, a green one. All right, BYSI, man, that thing is looking like it's curling up. It's a little bit higher priced. VRPX let's see, what's this one doing? VRPX has come down. Let's see, let me read some of these. RIG drop anymore? I don't know. Let me go and check that. Ridge. Nope. It's like it took that huge dump yesterday, dumped down there again today, and again with the recovery on RIG. Let me see what Dominic said. He said, I had the flu this week. I was bedridden, didn't get up for 2 days, ate once on third day, ate twice on fourth. Fourth day, today is the fifth, already ate, so that's good. Huge fever, gone. Huge fever, huge migraine. Yeah. Okay, and then Lawrence says, I'm elbow deep in mushrooms again, so I can't do much searching. Looks like BYSI is getting on through there. Can't do much searching. I don't know, or I don't want to get vermiculite in my keyboard. Yeah, have some nasty stuff growing on your keyboard. All right, Dominic says I was talking bad. Lawrence says, which is why I stay at the house. Nice. So BYSI did crank back up out of that little bottom there. Did crank back up and looks like it wants to head on up to 30s. VIX going on down as well. So almost down $1 on it, which would be $3. So I'm not risking much. Looking for it to go on down to that 20. Let me look at what the SPY is doing today. A lot of red across the board that I see up top. The SPY bouncing up there. That's why. Okay, good. So I might actually need to. Let's see if we can push higher. BYSI before I start to add anything. VRPX kind of consolidating down there a bit. I did a transition. I'm using the 15-minute, the 5-minute, and then the 2-minute here. I did notice that I'm missing a little bit of the lower time frames because usually I was trading with the 1-minute, but the 2-minute seems to be a bit better, a little bit less shaky. But I am focusing still on that 5-minute, but also kind of doing a comparison between these three charts. So we will see how that goes. Let me see if anything else popped up here. Nope. Ride was the only thing that got back up off of that bottom. So I don't know if I want to mess with that. Well, it's got a lot of bottoming wicks, but I feel like it's got a lot of downwards pressure there. Let me go jump back out to the other tab and check out that daily chart. TCAT popping back up there. Up 18%. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's had a lot of days of running. TCAT. Okay. So we'll definitely keep our eyes peeled for TCAT as well. And I will go and back over to the other tab. TCAT is halting up. It's halted. So getting a lot of halts there. Big indecision red candle here that did close to the bottom side of the candle. So we'll see if it breaks this little body down of the 1314. Let me read some of these comments. Let's see. Ride needs to push to 712. M6 says. Yeah, I think it did. TCAT, obviously, if it wants to. So they're telling Americans to leave Kabul airport yesterday. They just had a bombing in Kabul airport, but have no information on casualties. Dominic says not to leave airport, not to come to airport due to possible cat bombers. Yeah. And then One Life says VRPX, look for retest of 1850 area, potential next opportunity if 5-minute chart breaks down. And then, yeah, Dominic corrected himself and said car, not cat. Where's TCAS? Ride getting a nice topping tail up there. Yes, One Life. I try to look at the chats if I don't see anything that to trade, you know. I mean, a lot of this stuff is above my head, man. DB and One Life, y'all are out there jumping in VRPX and getting those nice little rips, nice little scalps. BYSI, did it go up to the 30s? Uh, yes, it did almost 29.31. Ride slowing down up there. We'll see what it wants to do. First 30 minutes are done. So usually after the first 30 minutes, I start focusing on strictly low floats because a lot of volume dies out on these higher floats. Ride, boy. Ride getting a lot of wicks to the downside. We'll see if it can fight any of this pressure. BYSI looks like nice potential trade. Dominic says CIA been doing helicopter pickups as close as 200 yards away from the airport to get U.S. citizens. Then One Life said the BSY looks nice, potential trade, and then Cillian FN says $30 up from Ride. Beautiful, nice, nice, nice. Getting that money out of the market. Ride is doing some stuff, man. I'm gonna move this screener over here so I can just leave it up. So I'm not seeing anything I want to trade right now. Okay. So let's see what we can get here. BYSI, did that double top up there? 29.55. 29.55s. Yeah, that's a double top. I think. Yeah, 29.55 was a double top. AEHR, some news on this one. That news is from the 24th. Receives 3 million in orders to support production test and burn-in of silicon carbide power semiconductors. FDA's first approval. No, that's not for this. That's just Wall Street waivers. Okay. ZKIN. VRPX starting to slow down a bit. All right, let's see. Lauren says, wonderful. If Elvis got me those headshots, let's see. Made a nice profit on Ride. I'm done for the day, so gonna take off. All right, MSEC. Peace out, bro. Ride, ride, ride. Let's see. TCAT. Mm-hmm. VRPX starting to bump up. And some insane little pops there. We're almost an hour into the day, or 30 minutes into the trading day. So the hour tripping. Yeah, Cillian, Ride was not playing, bro. Ride was not playing. Let's see. One Life says Ride over 45 million traded. Short squeeze can take it anywhere. Wouldn't hold long term for investment, but could have crazy day. One Life says Ride news doesn't justify anything, but shorts are getting hammered. Ride really pushed 40 cents after I sold. It was consolidating for minutes. Yeah, it'll do that. All right. So now we are an hour into the day. Let's see what these other ones end up doing up here. Why do I still have volume here? Don't need that. Okay. So TCAT finally finding a little bottom there. CAEHR still pushing. VIX is popping up. Is the spot dropping now? Okay, let's see. Let's see. SPY did drop off. So definitely not doing what I needed it to do. But if it can get positive on the day, that'll be nice. Let's take whatever profits. All right, so it's about time to focus on those nice old low floats. This one's not that volatile. Probably gonna do some dipping here. Who's gonna become the stock now? TCAT, I'm not sold on third day of the move. Might slow down, but we'll see. TCAT. Yeah, it's lost its volatility. Yeah. VRPX still looking like it wants to make some moves up. AEHR. A lot of these just do not have that volume that RIDE has. All right, RIDE coming on down there. $7.26. BYS new high. Probably should keep that. Double top on BYS on the 5-minute. AEHR. Slowing down a whole lot now. Appreciate that, Elvis. BYSI just popping up there. Don't know if that one's done, but a lot of these definitely are losing their volatility today. AEHR has tried to come down 1, 2, 3 times here and looks to be holding this level. What was the news on AEJR? Let's see. Wins 3 million, FDA. I don't like it. It's probably going to crash out. But it does look good. It's just not volatile enough. But it did try to go down 3 times, and we see the ramping. Oh, this is kind of messed up in the volume. Looks like it's ramping down in selling volume, looks like, but this bar may actually jump. We'll see. Is this a double bottom on the bottom? Let's see. 720 is where it's trying to hold up. PRPO popping up there. Very, woo! What the heck? Okay, okay. It's like, oh boy, somebody lost their life. PRPO. Did it have any news on the day? BYSI looking delicious. TCAT ended up fading off. BRPX looks like it's going to start trading within a range here. BYSI ran up once, ran up twice. Can it do it a third time? Will it be a 3 strikeout type of move? Will it start the backside of its move now? Don't know just yet. Ride coming down there to VWAP. RNWK. Just crossed over $2. Super cheap stock. AEHR. Just not too certain about that one. PRPO. Who's going to be the obvious stock? Ride seems to have based out here a little bit. Wonder, can it go higher after this pullback? Coming down there to the VWAP. VWAP is at the 706. Needs to hold up that 711. That's where the VWAP is right now. Breaking down that 711. BYSI looking like it is going into the backside of its move. Yeah, I'm not liking any of these. Look dangerous. Oh, VRPX getting a pop up out of this little section here. But it is running out of steam. Saw those first candles. Did it ever reach 1 million on a candle? Nope, never reached 1 million on a candle. Right, breaking on down. So now let's look for some real low flow opportunities now that these are dying. Except for VRPX, it's the only one not dying, but it is a low float. All right, let's go and read the chat. Morning Entertainment, BYS looking delicious. One Life says, my any swing doing what I told her to do. Any? Yeah, any was one of the ones that showed up on my new scanner that I created. Look at that thing. Oh my gosh. Insanity. Insanity. What's the what is it up today? 6%. Nice. Nice swing, One Life. Definitely been making its way up. PRPO. Looking for my opportunities. Ooh, VRPX jumping up there to 2180. Very, very low volume on that candle. Now the volume's coming in there after the rip. Let's see how much more volume. And it's kind of ramping on the volume side. So let's see if it can continue. Let's look at those level twos. Yeah, VRPX new highs. Getting a little bit of rejection there. Ooh, big pullback. Big old pullback there. GSM. This one's $2 and something. very, very cheap stock. Get some FOMO buying in there in Annie. I think it's going to consolidate and just ease higher. I don't think you really want to look for FOMO buying. Let me look at Annie. Yeah, it's probably going to consolidate up here. It's made a nice move up. Okay, what is the SPY doing? Did we come back up yet? Okay, came back up out of that dip, but trending down. Oh, VRPX. My bad. VRPX. Yeah, VRPX is looking like it's wanting to stay in this range a little bit. But it does have a nice trend upwards. PRPO popping up there. Who's going to become the obvious stock? AEHR. Trying to hold up there. PRPO giving a pullback. VRPX, I don't know about that one. Slowed down a whole lot. Ride trying to push back up as well. PRPO, nice topping tail on the 15 and the 5-minute. Got a long way away from the 9 EMA there on the 15. Okay. All right. So let's see, man. This one has lost a lot of volume. So look at, has a range here. Let's see, 2150. Looks like it wants to go and test that 2150 again. Ride going down, testing the graveyard out. Okay. GSM double bottom right there, but it may not get too volatile. This one's looking better. AEHR looking a little bit better for me, to me. Does have a double top there, high of the 725. I kind of like it. Let's see. Yeah, that's probably gonna be the one I'm gonna look at. AEHR. Woo! That boy got bought through the roof, didn't it? ABVC running up there, breaking pre-market highs. What's the news on this one? Um, provides a Vartargus update. Selected for this is phase 2. So selected for phase 2. Wait. Phase 2 ABVC Vartargus study. All right, Reuters. That's about it in Australia. So they just got selected for a study. Okay. This one was the one that I was interested in. It's trying to go up. Getting a little consolidation there. AEHR. Go look that up. Okay, no shelf. I like this one. I don't know why. ABVC popped up there to $3. Needs to pull back a bit. VRPX is starting to trade within that range. AEHR, I like this one a bit. I'm going to go ahead and play this one a little bit. In this range. Okay. Yeah. Like to see it pull back a little bit. It has had a bit of consolidation here. There it goes. Can it hold the 30s? 30, will it drop back down? Not seeing 31s there. Yeah, I'm gonna wait. Don't like the way it just closed that. If it's gonna get moving, it's gonna get moving anyway. GSM looking bad. ABVC looking bad. RNWK Jewel. Any news on this one? Jewel Global, that's back on the 19th. Biotechnology to co-develop new products based on immune cell technologies. GSMG trading within a range there. Yeah. Let's get this daily chart real quick. Looks okay. What is this thing? Why is this up here? I don't know if I want to play with that one. It's definitely cheap. BRPX finally going down. AEHR did go down there. I didn't like the way it closed, so I kind of dodged that one. Spot must still be dropping because I was down 50 cents. Now it's up. I wanted it to drop a little bit more, but it doesn't look like I'm gonna get that. VRPX falling off. This one did explode out of there for an 8-cent move. There's no way. There's no way I'm trading something 8 cents. VRPX broke down the 20 for a couple of seconds. ABVC. Go look this one up. ABVC. No shelf registrations on ABVC. Maybe, let's see, swung from the 250 up to the 3 on the daily chart. Does look like it has a little bit more room up to maybe the 350 area. Jewel. Okay. Give me 1 second. All right. Now ABVC. It's getting some consolidation here. 16% up. No shelf registrations. Phase 2. I really want to invest in something that's phase 2. Or not invest, but trade something that's phase 2. Everything else is just stupid expensive. It's like it has a little bit of resistance at that 350. Has so far to go. I don't know if I even want to play with this one. All right, let's look at the comment. Lauren said, hey, your boy just hit 220 on her CTR sale order. Yeah, you've been waiting forever for that. That's 1,300 for the week. Nice. We getting the sell off. Let's go fear. Let's go fear. GSMG. Okay, so VIX definitely bounced up today. I was down 50 cents. Now I'm up 45. So the SPY must have dropped off hard. Yeah, look at that. Look at the SPY dumping down there. I'm not gonna let this thing come back up. I'm gonna go to the VIX. I'm not gonna let it run against me. I just keep my little, I'll get out and get in lower. Oh my gosh, look at that jump. I'll ride the VWAP. Let's see, what's the VWAP? 20 cents. So I put a trailing stop on this for 20 cents. I'll give it a little bit of playroom though. Let's do 50 cents. Just follow by 50 cents and stop me out if you come back up. Trailing stop, smart. Yeah. And I put that in there. There we go. All the way down there. Following it by 50 cents. So where is it now? 21.50. So if it wants to continue up, whatever, it'll just follow it. Okay, let me go and check other things. So the most I'll lose on this trade is 20 cents basically. All right, let's go look. That one's going down. VPRX going down. GSM going down. Ride going down. So now is the low float time, I guess. On the daily chart, this thing is up. I wonder could it break out? And it's right at the $2, so it's barely on my scanner anyway. I don't like it. GSMG took a big drop there. Not really a big drop, but yeah. VIX is up to that 50 cent mark again, so it should be moving. Yeah, my stop is now at the 21, whatever that is, 21.50. It's going up a little bit more. That's a huge top and tail on that 5-minute though. Okay, this one's coming back up. It tried to go down 3 times. So I may play it with a little bit of size and see if it can't continue above these levels here of these 70. So because it is holding up to 75. I'm gonna try this one. If it flips over, I'll just get out quickly. $2.75 is my out. 274s. Did I add ABVC up here to the chart? AB. Let's go ABVC. So we'll see what the P&L ends up being. If it can hold above this level of the 74s. Nice. All right, let's look and see. Jewel is the next one. That one went up, but just wasn't looking good to me. ABC. Ride. All right, so we'll just watch this one. It's up 18 bucks right now. See what it wants to do. If it, as long as it can hold up over this 74 level, I'll be okay with it. Can it get over the threes? Is the question. 260s. $266. The only thing I don't like about this, where's my I need to bring my average price so I can see that as well. Um cost per share. Yeah, let's do that. So I can actually see where I got in. Okay, so cost per share 290. Okay, went up just a little bit. Ride. ZKIN. What in the world's wrong with this one? Some news on it. ZKIN has news. Let's see. That's some pretty nice news. Also has a lot of wicks. Oh, where was I? ABC, ABVC. So right now it's about a 20-cent drop down to the 9 EMA. So I put a trailing stop on this one as well, about 30 cents. $0.35. right, so 250. We'll see where that wants to go. The next one is that ZKIN trade there. This one looks a little wonky with all these crazy moves here. Don't know what that wants to do. Who's going to get more volume and become the stock on the day, though? Let me reread that news one more time. Subsidiary teams up with Maxim to launch a platform for non-fungible NFTs. Ugh. Okay. NFT news. What was I just in? ABVC. Just following it by 35 cents. If it wants to kind of start getting up, let it do its thing. Need to see those 90s start to come back up though. Okay, so this one, ZKIN, going back up there as well. All right. Have to wait on this one a little bit. ABC popped back up there just quickly. Can it do anything up to the upside, like challenge the threes? That'll be dope. Trailing stop 35 cents behind it. Moved up a little bit there, 97s. So 21 bucks right there. We'll see if it can get through that three. That was a double top, so we'll see. ZKIN came down, so the attention should come over here to ABVC, possibly. I will get rid of this 35 if it can push out of here. Nice little dip down there. ZKIN coming on down. What happened to AB? ABVC got a little dip. Popped all the way back up there. What does it want to do from there? Can it get those 81s, 82s? ZKIN coming down, huge top and tail on that 5 minute. Don't like that. This one should be following. Yeah, this one has moved all the way up to my entry level right there. Waiting to see what this one's gonna do. VWAP is at the 82. Can it break back over VWAP? $83. Can we get the 84s up there? 89s. Needs to hold those 83s up there. All right, so this thing is almost above my break-even point, following by 50 cents. Wait and see what this one wants to do as well. This entry was at the 290s. All right, so 290 is my entry. 280, I can risk 10 cents on this. I may go ahead and set a permanent stop down here. Where's 280? Somewhere down there. If we don't see those 85 soon, start to hold. Yeah. 79 be my stop out. It can't get going. Doesn't look like it wants to go anywhere. That 9 moving average here is at the 250. So really, as long as it holds up that 250, it should be okay. New stop out point is at 270 right now. I forgot to bring up my screener. ZKY did get on up there as well. Came down, dipped, so it may actually take some attention from this one. We'll see. $78, $77, $75 breakdown. SPY hit a new low. Oh wow, yeah, I'm up $1.17. Let's see how that thing moved. Okay, so I'm going to change this to 25 cents. So cancel, change this out to 25 cents. Follow it 25 cents there. And sell those shares that I have. So 25, sell there. So it's going to be a green trade no matter what. Okay. ABVC. It just needs a little love, and it's not getting it. So this is the 77 I need to be out. 75s. Not looking too good. But it is coming into this 9 EMA. It breaks that 9 EMA, that'll be bad. Can it hold up those 82s? Not seeing them on the bid. ZKIN. Back down again. – 75 is definitely a spot that I don't like. $290s. So I use VWAP as my out now. VWAP is a 282. Bottom of this candle, 280s. So it needs to stay above that level. Last low was a 79. So that'll be my out. I'll be out down there. Oh, I need to cancel that trailing stop. I'll put it at the 79 here if it can't get going. Okay. ZK coming on down, forming a lot of top and tails. That looks like a double top. Not looking good. 15-minute looks okay. If this candle goes red, that will be the 8. Wow. That will be the 82-ish area. Low 83. This could be the new high though. Yeah, I'm gonna set this as my get out point, the 70 right here. Because that could be the new, I mean, not the new high, the new low. Mm, get out at the 70. Need to see those 85 start to show up there. Doji candle. Maybe heading on down. Previous low is at the 71. I could risk 20 cents, but 20 cents is a whole lot. Popping up there just quickly to the doji. Let's see, the bottom of this low is the 283. 280s. $283 will be a 7-cent risk there. Can we see those 85 start to hold the bid? This is the new low that I'll set, 283. 282. It's a lot of weakness there. 283. Might stop me out here. Getting pops and drops and stuff. Just not seeing it. Yeah, getting a little heavy there. I'm gonna have to dive out of this one. It can't show us any green. Break of the VWAP 82. Can you get those 85s back up there? Not seeing it. Okay. So I put my sell order in there. Should be showing up soon. At the 82s, if it can't get going there, be out very quickly. Goes red here. Need to see those 84s. Very tight stop here at the 82. Risking 8 cents on those 300. If it breaks, I'll be out. Come on, man. Got out right there. 14 bucks on that one. PNL. So $14. VIX continuing to pile on in there. Following it by 25 cents. What is my P&L on the day? Does it show that? P&L on the day. I think that's how you do it, maybe. Let's see. Okay, 23 bucks. There's a P&L. Took it a while to update. 23 bucks right there. P&L. So I don't need that one. I'm okay with that. 23 bucks. It's looking for that thing to get up and get out of there. ZKIN. It's come down. Done a little bit of rehab. Double top there. So we have to see what that does. Firm. Yeah, ZKIN is the last one. Can it break this double top of the 476? This went up 1, 2, 3 times. 476 break. This indecision. If it can break that double top, I'll be interested. I'll be interested. Could not break it. Triple top. See if it goes back red here. Goes back red to the below the 70s, I'll be out. Will it show us red here? Yep. All right. Not able to break that. It's a lot of resistance right there. Last bottom was a 65, so it'll be where I'm out. 65s. If it can break it. No luck. Yeah, I'm done playing with that one. On the daily chart, how much room do you have? What's your daily chart looking like? Daily chart kind of open. I like it. Delete that order real quick. Canceled. Ride, jewel. So we got a top here of the 75. How much can you break on that top? 475s. I got stopped out of my VIX shares. It came down a little bit. Green trade though. Looking for the break of this high here. We can get it. Will it break down to 65 first though? Previous low is the 467. Be my out. Could still not break it. So 75 is a major resistance right there. 65s. Oh my gosh. Okay, now I don't like it. Oh Jesus, I'm in there. I did not mean to get in there. Oh well. Did not mean to take that trade. ZKIN. I was just canceling that order. ZKIN. Dang it. Got me. So it broke out of there. 471s. Can we get any more push? The bottom here is the 471. $85s. Hey, I'm almost back green on the day. Praise God. All right, so the top here is the 490s. Need to see those. Oh my God. Huge move down there. 72. Got to get out of there. 72. 70. $72s. Can you hold up the 9? Breakdown of the 70s. So that's a 6-cent risk. Looking for those 80s to pop back up. If not, I'll be getting out at the 70 break of the 70s. 69. So I'll sell that. What the heck? Get a nice little bottom there. Oh, 62, 69. Need to see the 80s quickly. This is the new bottom right here at the 73s there. 74s, I'll be out. See if we can get some FOMO buying in there. Nice. Looks like I'm back green on the day just by a little bit. So 73. Or actually break even would be even better spot. 76. So a break out of the 80s. Breakdown of the 80s. Looking for those 84s if possible. Nope. Really, bro? We're supposed to be friends. All right, 473s. Gonna have to be the new stop point. So yeah, I'm just gonna set that as a stop point. If it wants to come down and stop me there, I'll let it happen. It's nothing. Looking for it to get those 81s up there. It's actually got the 9 right here at the 70. So that'll be a 6-cent risk right now. 85's up there, getting snappy. Can he get the 86s? All right, so top side of this is the 71. New bottom here. It's a low of the 77. Did do a little double bottom there, so we'll see if we can break that double bottom. If not, I'll just be out. Either way it goes, I'm right at break even, so it's whatever. Very quick snap through there. Can we get those 90s? Possibly test into the 90s here. Nice. All right. That's nice, nice. Start locking some in here. Locking in. $95. Locking some more in there. Just making sure I end with a green day, if possible. 85 is what I don't want to see. Can we hold those 90s? Take a bit there. Taking a bit. Can we keep those 90s up there? Have a break even there of the 476. Got 165 left. 476, as long as it doesn't come back down there, I will keep it. Well, not looking too good. Come on now. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and jump out. Oh, this thing couldn't continue. Can it get a pullback? That's a double bottom at the 75, so 165 I have to get out there. 76. So if it slams through that area, I'll go ahead and jump out. Looking for those 80s to start to hold. Don't see any 81s. There's 81. No 80s anymore. Stop me out there. Very quick jab down. Jesus Christ. Gave a little move up, but just could not continue there. Should be updating that P&L here shortly. So it did get a break out of that level, but it was only for like 20 cents. It is not updated yet. I don't like that topping tail on the 5-minute. And where's the 15? Might end up putting that 15 back on here so I can see all of them at the same time. Oh, that was 5. But anyway. $15 was looking extended. So yeah, I'll add it back on here. Whatever. Why did it not update? Maybe if I go off of it, then go back to it. ZKIN coming on down. So glad I jumped out where I did. Just no continuation on that one. TCAT back up there. Right. DSIA. Yeah, none of these are looking like anything I want to trade. Oh well, I'm going to get ready to close it down. I took 2 trades. Why is ZKIN not updating? PKIN. Okay, there it goes. Okay, so very small loss on ZKIN. So made made a little bit, but it's whatever. It's kind of knocked me sideways there. BYSI getting back up there. VRPX. Appreciate that follow. Yeah, I'm just going to you know, I really thought those could continue. They just didn't give me the continuation that I was looking for. ZKIN dipped down, so too dangerous right there. TCAT fading down a little bit. Let me see. Who was that just Lunar got killed. Ooh, those are some nice names. Lunar got killed and Lunar haha. Appreciate the follows over there on Twitch. Anyway, I'll be back tomorrow morning. It is about that 10:30 time, so I'm gonna go and hustle and make this money back real quick. This is why I like small loot. Oh, I know when I started this channel, I told you guys this. So whatever I lose in a day, I pretty much just try to make it back in that day and then put it into like a kind of like a holding account so I can just refill the account whenever. That's pretty much what I do with these losses. So today I lost what, 24, 25 bucks. So I'll add 25 bucks to that account and then I'll continue trading. But it kind of helps me mitigate the losses and it kind of builds up some savings as well. But yeah, it's a strategy that's been working for me. I hate big losing days, and that's why I hate big losing days. I actually have to give most of the money I make in the day to the account, so it's kind of like a punishment as well. Like the other day when I lost 500, oh my gosh, that was a whole day's work. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and shut it down. I'll be back tomorrow morning. Hopefully, we'll get Ben in here as well. And yeah, can't believe this thing came on down. And I still like the consolidation. That's the bad part. But anyway. All right, you have a good day too, Miss Lauren. Daniel B, One Life, peace out. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe if you're on YouTube. Don't forget to follow if you're on Twitch. And we're going to go ahead and get ready to shut it down. Yeah, you guys have a great day. We're coming to the end of the month. It's the 26th, about to come on payday or pay month or whatever. I guess every day could be payday in the markets, but not for me every day. But anyway, you guys have a great day. And as always, I will see you in the next one. Peace.